Hello, friends. Starting with one more interesting topic, that is fixed increase annuity. This topic is not found in many exams, but it is there in CWM exam. It was used to be there in CFP exams long back, but not now. So those who are doing CWM have to watch this video properly and precisely. We have studied growing annuity. I'll show you. This is the formula for finding out future value of growing annuity. Now, what does it mean? So I'm investing a fixed amount right now, and then that is increasing at a constant rate, not the amount, but it is increasing at a constant rate. Say, for example, 10% year on year increase in your amount of investment or amount of withdrawal. That is an example of growing annuity. And I do have a separate playlist explaining growing annuities precisely. So you can search it on the channel and study that. This is also important. But our discussion is this one: finding out future value of fixed increase annuity. This is quite unique, and this formula is also unique. I'll show the question first. Mr. Shah invests 10,000 at the end of year one and increases the same by 2,000 subsequently. What does this mean? So, this means something very simple, that he's investing 10,000 at the end of a year. Next year, he's investing 12,000, then 14,000. Now, can you identify what is fixed increase? So, every year, his investment is increasing by the constant amount. What have I done is I've found the future value on Microsoft Excel for, say, the first investment, for that n is equal to 9, then 8, 7, so on and so forth. And then I've made a total. So this is the accumulation he would have at the end of year 10. So how much will he accumulate at the end of 10th year? Rate of return is 10%, right? So this is how I can solve it easily on Microsoft Excel. But yes, we are not allowed to use Excel in Microsoft exam in CWM. So that has been the reason. If data is really long, you cannot do it manually. So this is the formula. It's a derived formula. So I'm not explaining how this formula is arrived at, but let us understand the formula. So first part of the formula says that take A. So in our example, A was 10,000. So whatever subsequent investment you make, 10,000 is common in all the investments. So what do? I find out future value of 10,000. Sn is the future value factor that I've already calculated. How that has been arrived at, I'll tell you in a moment. So first is I take PMT is equal to 1, N is equal to 10, rate is equal to 10, and I'll find out FV. That happens to be 15.94 around. So this is the future value factor of 1 rupee annuity. So what do is I multiply 10,000 with 15.94. So that will give me the future value of 10,000. So what am I doing is, so say for example, this is the 10,000 common in all, and then 2,000 is the year on year increase. So this component has already been found. Now I'm finding out future value of that increased component. So this is quite an interesting to solve. So what do here is, now D, how much is my fixed increase? 2,000 into, now my future value factor, that is 15.94 minus 10, number of years, and divided by rate of interest 10. Solve it. You'll get an answer. And now you can add this to, you will get exactly the same answer. So this is an exercise given to you. So this is going to be the answer. I've already checked. This is tallied. So just find out. And if you're not getting it, let me know. So I'll post the solution later on. Find if you have any doubt further, you can definitely let me know. Also, let me know the topics that you want me to cover up for CWM exams as well as CFP exams. I'll see you soon with the next video. See you. Bye.